हेलो बच्चों, in your chapter linear equation I am going to explain exercise 3.3 today. This exercise is based on the algebraic solution of the linear equation. In previous two exercises we have learned graphical solution. Solution was done by the equation on the graph paper, but in this exercise we will learn algebraic solution, means on solving the question your paper of the copy. For the purpose, the topic discussed today in this exercise is to solution by substitution method. Solution by substitution method. Substitution means putting the value of certain value in place of some other thing. Just like your substitution classes, if any teacher remains absent, another teacher is substituted in place of that teacher. In the same manner, you will have to substitute certain value. For the understanding the method, there is nothing any formula, it is just a way of doing. Take the question 1. I am giving a question. Question is x plus y is equal to 14, equation 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, equation 2. These two equations have been given. There is no need to write the equation in standard form, as I have told in exercise 3.2. That was for the sake of that type of solution, whatever required in 3.2. Here simply whatever is given, you will have value of either x or either y in terms of other value. I am writing the step, you just follow. Find the value of y from equation 1, or solving equation 1 for y. This step can also be written. Language may be yours, but what is the process to be done? Simply solve the equation for either of the variable, means whether for x, whether for y. I am just solving for it y. The solution for y means you will isolate y to left side, and whatever you shift that to right side. In this equation it will become 14 minus x. I have solved this equation for y in terms of x, its value is coming. It means in place of y you can use 14 minus x. This is called the substitution. The value of y can be substituted 14 minus x in place of y, and I will use this in equation 2. Next step would be putting value of y in equation 2. So when you will use this value in equation 2, what you will get? X minus, and writing some values, then put it in bracket. 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now simplify. This equation is looking in x. X minus 14 plus x is equal to 4. This will become 2x and 4 plus 14. This is simple solution. 2x is equal to 14 plus 4, 60, 18, and x is equal to 18 upon 2 1s are 2 9s are, x is equal to 9. Value you have x, you got 9, and this value can be substituted here. So y is equal to, you have calculated 14 minus 9, then 14 minus 9. This x can be written as substituted here, then y is equal to, you are getting 5. These are two solutions, hence x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. These are the solution. This method is the substitution method. I am taking one more example for the sake of understanding. Question is given, under root 2x plus under root 3y is equal to 0. Equation 1. Next is under root 3x minus under root 8y is equal to 0. Here both the values equal to zeros. Doesn't matter, this is equation looking somewhat different, but no matter at all. Now simplify the same thing. Is insert step 1, this one. Solve this for y. Under root 3y is equal to, I am not writing the steps, you will have to mention in each question. Minus under root 2 x. when you are solving it for y, you will have to shift term with x to the right side. Now y is equal to minus under root 2x upon under root 3. This is the value of y you have calculated. Now you substitute this value in equation 2. Again the steps will be written similarly and you have to enter. Now put this value of y in equation 2. This will become under root 3x minus under root 8 into minus under root 2x upon under root 3 is equal to 0. In place of y, you are using this value. Language is to be inserted by you. I am not writing here. Now simply these values will not be solved. As in previous question, this has become x plus x 2x. Simply take x common. Whatever left is right inside the bracket. In the bracket you will left root 3 from here and minus minus plus under root 8 into under root 2 upon under root 3 into x is equal to 0. Whatever the expression coming, let it be as it is. No need to solve this, because when you will calculate x, this all will go into denominator, means 0 upon this bracket. Under root 3 plus under root 8 into under root 2 upon under root 3. And 0 upon something is 0, you know. And if 0 divided by any quantity, you will get 0. This 0 is the value of x. It has come. Now substitute the value here in this part. Y is equal to, languages you will have to insert at the different places where required. It means minus under root 2 into under root 3 into 0. Y is also be 0. Hence the answers would be x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You collectively write like this and the answer. This is the substitution method, means the value of x or y is calculated from one equation and that value is substituted into another equation, then obtaining the value of particular variable, whether x or y. The first value is obtained, then second value is also obtained, like this in those two questions. This is the concept of exercise 3.3 and all the questions. Some of the questions are the language problems. Language problems are similar. First you will have to form the equations. I have explained earlier. When equation will be formed, then solve the equation by this method, substitution method. Then this all is the concept of exercise 3.3 and you have to solve the exercise today. Your homework will be exercise 3.3 for your homework. Thank you.